Now let us look at our next concept, which is ecosystems. The term eco, or the prefix eco rather, means house or household. And the suffix system means a set of things that work together. Therefore, an ecosystem is a specific environment where living organisms interact with one another and with their environment. So when we are saying living organisms, we mean communities of different populations. So basically, eco means household, which speaks back to what? To the environment. And system speaks to what? The interaction of the organisms that are found in the environment. So when you're looking at this picture over here, the last part, which is the ecosystem, we can see that there's living organisms that are interacting with one another, and we also find the very same living organisms interacting with their environment. So we can see the guinea fowl here is drinking the water which forms part of the non-living part of the environment. So it is not only interacting with other living organisms, but it's also interacting with its environment. So basically that is an ecosystem. The different populations in the environment interact with each other to form a community. When we look at how the communities interact with the non-living things in the environment, then we are looking at an ecology at an ecosystem level. So basically, when we are speaking about the ecosystem, we are speaking about living organisms interacting with one another and the very same living organisms interacting with their environment. So here is a nice picture again of different populations that are interacting with one another and their environment. Now we are going to look at the last concept of our lesson, which is biosphere. The prefix bio in this case means life, and the suffix sphere means earth or region. Therefore, biosphere is the part of the earth where life exists. If you remember, we said bio means life and sphere means earth. So in short, biosphere refers to the part of the earth where life exists. So now, when you are looking at this picture again, I'm using the same picture so that we create this consistency. This picture shows us an organism, it shows us a population, it shows us a community, and then it shows us an ecosystem. All of these ecological levels, when they interact with one another, now we get the biosphere. So everything here, this is an interaction between all of these ecological levels, then we get a biosphere. At the biosphere level, we can study how living organisms and non-living things interact on a much greater scale, which is the whole of the earth. So this includes climate changes. We also look at how the earth has changed over time. Try not to confuse ecology, which is referring to a study, and biosphere, which looks at a combination of all ecosystems. So we are going to end here for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.